I tried to be on time for once, but I still lose my mind when you are on my phone and I don't have to be alone. Oh my, your kitchen floor is cold. 'Cause you are in the same room.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how to get your hair in a slick ponytail, you guys, if you have thick locks, then I want you to watch this video just because I struggled with putting my hair in a slick ponytail. I seen a girl who wore it on Instagram and I was like, how can I get my hair in a slick ponytail? But with my locks being so thick, it's just kind of hard for me and it doesn't end up coming out as slick as I wanted it. So I ended up achieving the look and I wanted to come on here really quickly and give you a demo on what I did and how I do it and give you some suggestions as well. So if you want to see this video, go ahead and keep watching. So we're going to jump right into it, but first let me welcome anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and we cover all things beauty related and we really love affordable options. So if you're into anything like that, go ahead and subscribe, guys. But to talk about my hair is, I have 92 locks, and so when I try, and so I hate that I say that. So when I try to put in a ponytail, locks are falling out and usually I have some lumps and bumps, right? So I decided that on this no retwist challenge that I was going to do some styles that will help me to get past these struggling weeks that I'm going through, and decided to wash my hair and put in a ponytail, and it was fairly easy when I did this technique. So I want to try it with you guys, okay? Or show you guys. So I'm going to get into the demo, but first let me just give you some suggestions on what will help it go a little bit easier. I found that manipulating my hair when it's wet is the best for me, even when I was a loose natural. So I recommend that just because when it's dry, the roots can be really puffy and won't give you that smooth look. So when you get out of the shower and you dry your hair and you moisturize it and all that kind of stuff, you can go right into putting it in a ponytail and it works so well. And if you don't want to totally wash your hair, I would suggest that you use a water bottle to get those roots really softened, okay? Also, I suggest that you do this the night before because it will help your ponytail to stay slick longer. I didn't have that much time today, so mine didn't come out as slick, but it was good enough for me. I'm not really picky about these kind of things, but if you definitely want it to be slick all the way back, because I got some frizzies right here, you want to do it the night before, okay? Let's talk about the things that you're going to need. So what I use is these scrunchies, but they are for thick hair or long hair. You can get them from Target, Walgreens, or CVS. I like those because with my thick hair, the other ones can't go around as many times as I would like it to. So these thicker bands help my hair to get in a ponytail a little bit easier, and I'll show all this in the demo as well. And then you want to have a spray bottle if you're not going to wash your hair. Then you're going to need your aloe vera gel, and you're going to definitely need a scarf, you guys. Okay, so that's what you're going to need, and without further ado, let's get into the demo, you guys. So that was it for this video. I know it was really short, but I just want to come on here and share how I do this look. I know I didn't make up anything extravagant, and I'm sure there's people out there who's tried this technique, but I wanted to bring it to my subscribers just in case you guys did not know that this is an easier way to do it. I absolutely love what my hair looks like. I feel like I can style it now with my roots not being retwisted. And if you see my video last week, which I will link down below or somewhere around my head, I was kind of struggling for these weeks to go by, but once I did that ponytail, I was like, oh, I can do this, and I'm just loving it right now. Let's go ahead and chat down below if you tried this technique or if you love wearing ponytails during your no retwist times. Let us know if you have any tips about how to get a ponytail in if you have thick locks, or any kind of pointers or anything that holds a little better than the aloe vera gel. As usual, God bless y'all, and have a good night, day, or whatever it is where you are. Bye, guys.